the first trips I ever took with it. It was the Targa, California in 2014. I invited a friend of mine and we met a bunch of really good guys who love the brand. That trip really made the circle of friends that I have now, and it was the start of my Alfa community. Now that I'm involved or just in the mix with all these people, it's just like super inspiring to like drive these cars even more and get them to the point where they drive so well and you get this satisfaction when you're driving them. It's always nice to stop at somebody's house when you know they're working on one of their cars and be able to exchange knowledge and information. I wouldn't categorize an Alfa driver as one type of individual because there's just so many different types of people, and that's what's cool about it. I have to say that if it wasn't for the community, I wouldn't be able to afford to have these cars. I wouldn't be able to get some parts that these cars need, you know? I've been lucky enough that everyone that has come into my life because of the Alfa Romeo brand has just been super honest and just always willing to help out in many different ways, you know. The cleanup that we did to it and the few little upgrades has made the car reliable, and I take it on long road trips, which is what I wanted the car for in the first place. And it's still a car that you can use every day. When you buy a vintage car, you're buying the entry fee to a new world. A lot of the times you don't know all its history. So as an owner, you have to get to know the car, go through the car. And once you've gotten through the car, then dreams come true. Walter, I drive a 1978 Alfa Romeo Alfetta sports sedan.